just once, but without end. And if my brother sins against me, help me speak with truth and peace. Help me forgive from my heart, even when forgiveness is hard. Teach me mercy, teach me grace. Help me love the way you say, not with